Hello and welcome to the official SoccerStarz channel. In today's video we're going to do a little bit of a random unboxing / competition giveaway. I've searched the SoccerStarz HQ up and down and I've managed to find this bad boy. A 4-pack. A SoccerStarz 4-pack containing 4 random blisters. I have no idea who is inside of here, but let's open them and find out. Savic, Atletico Madrid. Kante, Chelsea. Fred from Manchester United. Kylian Mbappe in French kit. Quite a nice little collection we have there. So, for your chance to win these, you have to answer this question. Who do you think is going to finish in the top 6 and in what order? So I want you to leave a comment telling me who you think is going to finish first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. And I want you to also explain your answer. Who do you think is going to win the title? Explain whether you put Man City, Liverpool or Spurs or anyone else first. Explain why you've put them first and also explain who you think is going to miss out on the top 4. So I want good detailed answers. Now, before I leave you, let's actually unbox a couple of these. We're going to unbox Savic. Savic, Atletico Madrid. Very nice. Moustache and beard detail, very good. It's got a nice lock of hair. And we will unbox Fred. I'm a United fan, let's do Fred. Fred. There you go. If you want a chance to win these 4 players, all you have to do is answer the question, who do you think is going to finish in the top 6, and leave good detailed answers in the comments. This competition closes on Thursday the 14th of February, so you have just under a week to get those answers in. I'll be announcing the winner in next Friday's YouTube video, which is Friday the 15th of February. Good luck. All of these players, as well as all of the players behind, the master models who are the spectators at the minute, are all available on our online shop, shop.socstarz.com. Make sure you check it out. Don't forget to like this video, comment and hit that subscribe button. Catch you next time.